Hello everyone, welcome to Info channel. Today I will show you how you can download old version app on your mobile. So before watching our video, please subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon to get all the notification of our new videos. Please support us by liking, sharing and commenting. So now let's start this video. Today I will show you how you can download old version app on your mobile. First, open your browser and search on Google up to down. Okay, let's search it. Okay, now you can see this website up to down. Now go on to up to down website. Now here you can see all the apps that you can download in all versions, in old version, new version, every version. You can see now I'm opening YouTube app. You can see here you can download latest version, and here you can download all the version you want. Any old version you want, you can download it from here. You can check it. Now let me search WhatsApp. And you can see here comes WhatsApp. Now you can see old version of this app. Old, new, latest, everything. Now we'll search PixArt. Okay, here is PixArt. Now I will open PixArt. Okay, you can see there is the latest version of this app, and by clicking on old version you can get all the version of this app. You can check it, because some people like to have the old version, so you can download it from here for free. So how to download? Click on download. Okay, and here it comes. You can download it for free. Any version you can download it for free. Mostly people like the old version, so you can download it from here up to down website. I'll show you once again. You have to just search on Google up to down, and here it is, up to down. Just search on Google, you will get it. This is the easiest way to download old version app. Any app you want to download, you can download it from here. I'm just checking some apps. So the website name is up to down, so please subscribe our channel, share, comment. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notification of our new videos. Thank you.